For the past 30 years, we have been deploying capital in underserved communities, and renewables was a natural fit. The Advantage Solar line has really grown tremendously in the last 5 years. One of the things that makes solar so attractive in a community is that the local county governments get to dictate how to utilize those tax proceeds the way they want to fill out their own unmet needs. We have seen county governments utilize the tax proceeds from solar projects to rebuild their roads, to build a new school or a community center, to purchase additional fire trucks for the fire department. One of the most impactful projects that we have worked on, it's for rooftop residential solar projects plus battery storage on the island of Puerto Rico. On the island of Puerto Rico, you can't count on the fact that when you flip the switch, your lights will turn on. The power grid in Puerto Rico has had a lot of instability. It's been ravaged by hurricanes. Every time it starts to take a step forward, something happens and it takes a step back. So these projects in Puerto Rico allow homeowners to have the stability of power. The vast majority of the power being produced is coming from power plants that are well past their useful life. Renewables has been the fastest growing replacement for legacy power for the past several years. Renewable energy is the future of this country.